People always ask us, how do you see yourself in 5 years? And actually making a vision board makes it a lot easier to answer. I'm going to give you more than 10 questions to ask yourself to decide what pictures do you want to put in your vision board. The first question is, what do you see yourself doing for living in 5 years? For me personally, is content creating, digital marketing, YouTube. So pictures like this are suit. Where would you like to be living? Describe your dream house or city. For me, is a van, is a aesthetic van, earthy van, and pictures like this are suit. Number 3, how do you envision your physical health? I don't want to shame my body right now, so I've decided to put some sports that I want to try in future for this question, like surfing, mountain climbing, modern dancing, and things like this. Number 4, relationships with your family, friend, or significant other. For significant other, pictures like this are helpful for me, or for family, a happy family like this. Number 5, what kind of adventure or travel do you want to try? It's really exciting for me. I really like to travel Europe, so pictures like this are suit. Number 6, in which ways do you envision giving back to your community or the world? For me, a campaign for people who are victims of sexual abuse is really, my big dream. So for me, pictures, I don't want to put a picture for that, or maybe I want. Pictures like this are suit. Number 7, what kind of hobbies do you want to try? For me, art hobbies like an instrument or making clay art or drawing is perfect. And number 8, financial situation. You need an icon for this. What do you mean financial stability for yourself? For me, is a happy home with a nice car maybe, or being able to travel, so pictures like this. And number 5, personal development or self-improvement. For this, you can put some quotes like this. And number 10, spiritual or emotional well-being. For this, I'm not a spiritual person, so quotes like this are suit. And number 11, legacy. What is our legacy in this world? Actually, I want to make a good memory of myself for people who knows me. But my legacy is that campaign for people who are victims of sexual abuse. I think that is my legacy, maybe. And number 12, your passion. For me personally, my passion is a cat cafe. I know it might be a big dream, having a cat cafe for yourself. But I want to put it in my vision board. No one can stop me. So pictures like this are suit. And number 13, sorry. What do you want to wear? For me, I love styling clothes and things like this. And I love to have a big closet. So pictures like this are good. For you can delete this question if you are not, if you don't have a passion about style and stuff. Number 15, what do you want to have? I'm not talking about the spiritual things, you cannot put a loved ones and this question, you can back to relationship question. Have what you want to have that you don't have right now. For me is a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup stuff. For you it might be a nice car. And number 14, what do you want to eat? I think eating is a part of lifestyle, so it's an important thing. For me, eating healthy and delicious foods like this are kind of important. And done. I am putting my final vision board now. And please, if you are making this vision board, find a way to show me. Let me think, how can you show me? Can you email me, please? Or if you have a Pinterest account, you can put the link for me, and I'm going to see each of them and enjoy each of them. Bye bye.